Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Alexa. First of all you have to do is open your Alexa app on your phone. From here, all you have to do is click on this three-dotted hamburger menu. From here, you have to select skill and games. On the search bar, you have to type My GPT. Tap on search. You will see My GPT on this section. Click on it. And then all you have to do is click on Enable to use. Once you're enabled it, all you have to do is voice command Alexa. Let's get started. Open My GPT. As you can see, My GPT has been opened. Can you tell me the height of Eiffel Tower? As you can see, we are now using GPT, and that's how to connect ChatGPT to Alexa. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.